Today I will be testing the latest portable media card screen from the famous Carpuride company. Now, Carpuride is a very well-known global brand and they make amazing car gadgets, and I've tested most of their products on my channel here and I've loved them all. Now, this new model is actually an upgraded version of their 10.3-inch W103 portable screen that has become one of their best-selling devices and is definitely one of my favorite car screens in the market today. Now, while the W103 is an amazing model, it was missing one important feature, and that is the audio connection with the car system through Bluetooth. In the previous model, you could still get the audio through the inbuilt speaker, the aux cable or the FM transmission, but the Bluetooth connection was missing. And now in this new W103 Pro model, you do get the function of connecting the sound from the portable screen to your car through the Bluetooth. And this is such an amazing and necessary function, especially for cars with the Bluetooth option. So now let's first do the unboxing to check out the contents of this box, and then I will set this up in my car, connect it with the cables, and then start testing the different functions, features and the performance of this new W103 Pro 10.3-inch portable car screen from Carpuride. Keep watching, guys. Alright, so this is the screen and we'll come back to this in a while. Let's check out the other contents of the box. Alright, so we get this aux cable. This is to connect the audio. Then you get the power adapter. This is the cigarette power adapter plug. It's a type C connection that connects with the screen. Alright, so then you get brackets to connect this and set it up in your car. And then finally, we also get a user manual and some more instructions on how to set up the bracket, how to connect this with the car, with CarPlay, Android Auto, and all other functions and features. Alright, so now let's have a closer look at this portable screen from Carpuride. Let's take this off. Alright, so this is a 10.3 HD touchscreen. This is a new Pro model. It's quite nice. It's not very heavy. And I really like this layout of these kind of screens. You know, I've tested some other ones which are kind of squarish design, but I prefer this kind of a layout. So you've got the name of the brand. As I said, it's a nice 10.3-inch HD touchscreen. Looking at the back, you've got the built-in speaker. This is quite powerful. On top, you have the power button here. And this is where you connect the brackets, the mounting brackets. In terms of the connections, and you'll find this on the left side. So the connections are, the first one on the extreme left is to connect an external mic if you want. You also have a connection for the TF card. This is a slot for the TF card. Then this is a slot for the camera in. So if you want to connect a reverse camera with this portable screen, you can certainly do that. You can connect it here. Then you've got the audio out as well. So you can use the aux audio cable to connect the audio out. You've got a USB flash drive here. And then this is a type C connection for power. So very simple. So as I said, in terms of the hardware and the exterior, it's the same as the W103 model. Now the only upgrade to this model is the Bluetooth function that has been added. But all in all, again, this is such a nice, handy, kind of very lightweight device. That's it. So let me take this out, connect it and set it up on the dashboard. I'll show you how to do that, and then switch it on and then start testing the functions and features of this new W103 Pro model from Carpuride. Alright friends, so I've set this up on the dashboard of my car. Now I'm not going to permanently install this because I already have a 12-inch screen in my car. I've just put this on the dashboard to make this video. Now it sits very nicely on the dashboard. You get the dashboard mounting bracket, as you can see. So you have the sticking pad in the box. You can put it here and then adjust it on the dashboard as you like, and it's a very strong sticking pad, so it would not move when you drive the car. So that's nice. And the other options for you to set this up in the car is using this suction cup. So you can use this suction cup to put this screen on the windshield here on the side. So that's another option. And the third option is actually putting this on the dashboard itself, and then you can use this as a telescopic extender like this to adjust the view that you want. So 3 ways to set it up. I prefer this one. Dashboard, very nice and sits very nicely on the dashboard with the sticking pad, and it looks quite nice. And I really like this layout. 10.3-inch nice screen. As you can see, the quality is quite nice. This is the landing page or the main home page of this device. When you switch it on, it takes about probably 3-4 seconds or maximum 5 seconds to switch it on when you switch on the car. Now, one good thing with this screen is that this is a self plug and play kind of a device. You don't need any professional help to set this up in your car. You can just use the accessories that come in the box to set it up on the dashboard or on the windshield, and then you can connect this wire with the power and the cigarette lighter, and it works in all the cars. Any car with a cigarette lighter, you just need a cigarette lighter adapter for the power. Now, this is the landing page. Let me give you a quick intro to the landing page. So you've got the home button here, help, volume up, down, brightness. You've got the time, and then on the right side you've got all the different function apps that are available on this device. So you've got iPlay, which is the CarPlay, A-Auto is the Android Auto, AirPlay and the Auto Link are the mobile screen mirroring functions. Then you've got the sound equalizer. Then you've got the Bluetooth function here. Now, Bluetooth is where you can connect your mobile for music and calls. You've got USB and a TF card slot. Now, I've already connected a USB flash drive, and I've also inserted SD memory card at the back, so we can play some video and see how the playback is. Then you've got the transmission. This is for the audio. Now, remember, I told you that there are 4 ways to get the audio from this screen. The first one is that this screen comes with a powerful inbuilt speaker. So if you don't want to use the car sound system, you can simply use the inbuilt power speaker. The other option is using the aux cable to connect it with the aux socket in your car. Now, in the box you do get an aux cable. Then the third option is the FM transmission, and that's the function that we used in the previous model, where you set a certain FM frequency on the screen and match the same frequency on the radio in your car. Then the audio will be linked from this portable to the audio system in your car. Now, the fourth and the newest option on this is the Bluetooth audio connectivity. Now, for that you need the Bluetooth connectivity in your car, and today I will do the Bluetooth connection with my car, just to show you how the audio links from the portable screen to the sound system of the car. And the last icon here is the settings. Now, let's go into the settings very quickly. Now, within settings you will see these 4 areas. The first one is the basic setting. You've got language, time, and device speaker. So if you want to use the inbuilt speaker on this device, you simply click on this. You've got the option of setting up a right hand drive or a left hand drive view. So on the right hand drive, this part moves to the other side. Now, this is a left hand car, so I'll keep it that way. Then you've got the factory reset setting, and then you also have the system version. The next one is the Wi-Fi. This is where you have the wired and the iPhone Android Auto wired and the iPhone link. Then you have the Wi-Fi area. This is where you basically connect your mobile with this device for mobile screen mirroring, and I'll show you how to do that later on. And then finally, you've got the basic settings in terms of the video warning. So if you want to set up a video warning for video playback while you're driving, you can do that. And then you can also connect a rear HD camera with this device, and then set up that accordingly. You can have the lines on the screen when you have the rear view camera on, and some other details. So these are all the settings. Now, in order to test the performance of this new W103 Pro Carpuride screen, I will start testing the different functions on this screen. So keep watching, guys. Alright, so the first thing I would like to do is connect the audio to the system of my car through the Bluetooth technology. This is the new feature on this device. So we click on this, click on BT Transmit. Alright, and then on my car, I just go to the Bluetooth setup. So add a new device, and then I would see this Carp BT Trans. This is the Carpuride BT transmissions. Click on this, and then you will see that it'll take a while to connect, and then now it's connected. All right, so on the screen here as well, you will see that the device is now connected with the sound system of my car. This Alright, so now the audio from this portable screen is connected with the sound system of my car through the Bluetooth technology, which is quite nice, and we will test that right now. I've inserted a USB flash drive just to see the performance while playing a video. So let's click on this USB, and it automatically plays the first video, but if you want to change it, you can simply go here and look for a different video if you want. You've got a full list of all the videos. Let's click on this one. This is a 4K video. All right, and now I can use the steering wheel control to adjust the volume because it's connected with the sound system of my car, and you can see it's very nice, very clear. There you go. So this is such an amazing feature to have, especially for cars with the Bluetooth technology. As you can see, this is a 4K video that we're playing. It's a very heavy file, but the output is amazing. It's extremely clear. It's very nice and bright. The colors are also nice. It doesn't lag or buffer at all. As you can see, very nice quality. Now, one thing keep in mind, it only plays on the right side here. So when you're playing videos through this USB flash drive, you don't get a full screen view. When you move to other functions like the CarPlay or the Android Auto, you do get a full screen view. But when you're playing a USB video playback, you don't get it on the full screen. Then again, I don't think it's the right thing to get in a full screen, because then the video will be stretched. This is right. The display resolution is perfect on the right side of the screen, and as you can see, it's extremely clear and very nice. I really like this. Alright, so in order to connect this device with the wireless Apple CarPlay, you just need to click on this iPlay, and then you get the instructions on how you connect this. Basically, you just have to go to your iPhone. On the iPhone, just open Bluetooth settings and then look for this new device. It will be called W113, as you can see on the screen. Click on this, pair the device, allow it to sync contacts and favorites, and then use CarPlay. That's it. So it's a very simple one-time process of connecting the device with your mobile, and as soon as you make that connection, in a few seconds you will see the home page of Apple CarPlay like this one. So very fast. It's quite quick. It's a one-time setup process, and good thing is that when you connect with the Apple CarPlay, you do get a full screen view. So that time section on the left side has gone. So which is a very nice thing. And once you have the CarPlay, you can certainly use all the functionality of Apple CarPlay. You can in fact go to this and select a certain location, and as you can see, it's extremely fast. It takes a second or two to move from one screen to another. This is navigation, quite fast. You can also use the Siri function here. So, hey Siri, call Ipster.
Calling Ipster home.
That's my other number. There you go. That's fine. The quality of the screen, the clarity is amazing. It's very nice, and the screen is quite responsive. You don't have to click on an icon 2 or 3 times. You just simply need to click it once, and that it just responds. All right, so let's go back to the home page. Alright, now let's connect this to wireless Android Auto. So click on the Android Auto icon. You get all the instructions very clearly on how to connect this with your mobile. You simply need to go to your Android mobile. I've got my Samsung here. Go to settings, open the connections and the Bluetooth, switch it on, and then you will be able to see this device appear. That's W113. Click on this, pair the device, and that's it. Now it's connected. It's very quick. Again, this is a one-time setup that you need to establish between the screen and your mobile, and then every time you switch on the car, the connection will be active, and you can directly go to the home screen of either Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, depending on the mobile that is connected. All right, so this is now the home page of Android Auto. This is a new Cool Walk version, so it looks quite nice. This is the landing page, so you get all the shortcuts here on the left side. side you've got the map on the right side, in the middle, and then on the right side you've got the media that is playing. Now you can actually, if you want the full screen of the map, click on this and then you get a full screen. You can go to this at the bottom left, you can have a split screen view like this. You can click this again, the dots, and then you can see all the different apps, the icons that are available with Android Auto. Alright, now let me show you the mobile screen mirroring function on this portable screen, which is amazing. I really like that function. So I'll show you that on my iPhone. So it's the same process that you can follow for Android mobiles as well. Basically, what you need to do is, you see all the Wi-Fi instructions here. You need to go to your iPhone, click on the Wi-Fi settings, look for this device here, which is W113. Click on this and then connect it. If the device asks for a password, then the password is all sixes. You can insert that. Right, it seems to have connected. The next step is just go to the top left, look for this screen mirroring. You get an option, click on this, and now the screen should have mirrored with this portable screen here. There you go. So very nice and quick. You can see, very nice and quick. In fact, we can go to one of the apps to see if it looks very nice and very quick. So the important thing here is that there is no lag. Now if you want to change the layout, you simply need to twist your mobile and you get a full screen view on that. And this is such a nice thing to have. As you can see, there is absolutely no lag. It's just moving in the same direction, the same sequence. There is no lag between the two, and the quality is quite nice. Obviously, this sound is now connected to the system of my car, so that's another added advantage. So this is such a nice and amazing feature, definitely one of my favorite feature on this portable screen. Alright friends, so this was a very quick review of this new W103 Pro portable car screen from Carpuride. I love it. It's from Carpuride, which is a very well-known and durable brand. Have tested so many different models from this company, and all those models have worked quite nicely. Long-lasting products they make. So I highly recommend you to get this one. Now we've tested different applications on this and everything worked quite nicely. It's very fast to start when you switch on the car. The resolution, the brightness and the colors of the screens are quite nice as well. Again, an ideal product for people who don't have a screen in the car, or if they have a screen which is a basic screen. So this is such a nice multimedia screen that they can install in their car. So guys, if you like this, if you want to buy this, simply go to the link in the description of this video that takes you directly to the official store where you can buy this nice W103 Pro model from Carpuride. That's it friends. Thanks for watching this video.